welcome everyone to our small video about our approach in the Data Mining Cup 2021. In this video I will elaborate on the points of data understanding, pre-processing, insights that we gathered in the project as well our final model. Let's start. First off, we have three different datasets that all provide different kind of information. At first, we have the transactions table. As the name suggests, it is about the transactional information. How many clicks were counted in the session, how often was a product bought, or which session is meant after all. All this information is described here. Next, we have the items table, which contains all descriptive information about the books, like the author, title, or the different topics. It is the foundation for our recommendations. And finally, we have the evaluation table. It is the reference for the solution that we hand in eventually. For that purpose, 1000 products were chosen to get recommendations. Before we start, we have to analyze our data sets regarding problem and content. For example, the transactions table. Although providing a session ID, it offers no insight in time. It could be 1 month, a year, or maybe 1 day. Furthermore, there are no customer-related information, which is unusual for recommendation systems. Lastly, the data raises the question on how it was gathered on the website. What is a click? When I click on a product or when I click on a product's page? The item table lacks in certain regards as well. For example, in the data quality. Missing values are not uncommon, however, they are still an issue. This varying data quality is evident throughout the data set in almost every attribute. Especially the attribute subtopics challenges it, as it needs more work in order to be used. So, what did we do? We reworked some attributes. Subtopics in particular was too specific, and since we want to find similar books, not identical books, we changed it to be much more general, as we only took the first letter or number of each subtopic of a product and put it into a new column. This way we have an identifier which provides an idea of similarity while not restricting the choice of books too much. Our focus is the item table though. We want to have indications of the popularity of a product from the transactions table. That's why we integrate the transactional attributes, but with a few changes. First, we change it to ordinal values. Regarding similarity, numbers do not add information. For us, only the result of a transaction is important. Was something bought or not? With the mode, we took the most representative value and put it into the items table. This sums up our general data pre-processing. Which insights did we gather along the way? When we analyzed the main topics, we found out that just 2 topics make over 90% of all transactions in almost every aspect, leaving every other topic behind. It makes the focus of the bookstore very evident and maybe offers choice in which products should be offered. When we look into the average of click and basket values regarding the orders, we see another important thing about the customer behavior. On average, customers who click high leave the website and do not buy a book, as if they found a better alternative. Even their average basket value is concerningly low. Customers who buy books have significantly less book clicks on average, which leads to the impression that they already know what they want to buy. The last part, which is questionable to be honest, are the low clicks but high values in orders. It recalls to the question on how the website operates, how it was designed, and the meaning of a click. Eventually, our model looks into the item set and chooses products that are the most similar to the given product. Our base for that is a similarity search. As the distance measure, we use the Levenstein distance, since we only use strings. But each string is different in length. That's why we tested different approaches in weights and how important certain attributes are. We came up with different variations as it is evident on the table. In the end, we've chosen the 4th variation as it reflected the best qualities according to our needs. It offers good choices, but also provides new ideas, which is the essence of each recommendation system. With all that, I thank you for your attention. I hope you understand our approach better now, and if required, you can contact us via email. Thank you.